Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. So I had some leftover paint from my previous ghost pour and I decided to do ghost pour on some 4x4 ceramic tiles to make coasters out of them. So I'm going to be using the same colors, which is the Deco Art Metallic Silver, Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold, the Deco Art Pearl Metallic, and the Folk Art Color Shift Black Flash. And I'm not going to put down a base on the tiles. I'm just going to let the white of the tiles be the base color. And I'm going to start with the silver. And I'm using paper cups so it's easier to control the flow. I couldn't decide which way I wanted to do it, if I wanted to do it across the square or diagonal, but I decided it would be really hard to swipe when you get to the corners if I did it diagonal. So starting with the silver, and then I put the black and then the white and then the gold on top. And again, just using parchment paper as my swiping material. And there was one thing, not having a base down, even though the ceramic tile surface is smooth, the parchment paper would pretty much run out of paint before I got to the end where I wanted the swipe to stop. So I just dipped the end of my parchment paper into the paint that was on the cover sheet there, and just to get a little more paint onto the ceramic tile. And I am making them a little ziggy on purpose. It's a ghost pour. They don't have to be exactly straight. And again, just spacing them, the wider swipes out so that I can come back in with the smaller ones. And I've advanced the video so you wouldn't have to sit here and watch me swipe all 4 of these. They're looking good. I did apply some torch to the 2 on the top, and I'm getting some really cool cells on them. So I think it's going to be really gorgeous to add the resin over this, and it's really going to make these shine. All the shimmer and the sparkle of the 24 karat gold and metallics. It's going to look great. And again, I'm so glad I decided to use the black. It's just enough to define some of those lines. And here they are, dried. I haven't put the resin on yet, but I'm loving the way they turned out. You can see the cells that's popped up in there. The shimmer and shine. So much better in real person. And then I had still extra paint left over, and I decided, okay, well, let's just do some dipping. So I poured some out onto my parchment paper and then dipped these next 4. And I think they turned out great as well. Got a lot of great lacing and cells in these. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. I love your feedback, and all of this helps my channel grow. And I so appreciate that you would take the time to do that. So I want to thank you for that, and I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next Creative Escapade. Bye-bye for now.